Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick and easy trick that will let you insert images from the web directly into your Google Sheets, literally in just 5 seconds. Whether you're building a catalog, creating visual trackers, adding logos to your reports, or just wanting to spice up your spreadsheets, this method will save you a ton of time and clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull an image straight from the internet and have it show up in your Google Sheet like magic. First things first, let's get started in the right place. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, you're ahead of the game, but if not, just take a moment to log into Gmail. Once you're in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a little grid icon that looks like a bunch of 9 small dots. Think of it as Google's app menu, your portal to all their services. Go ahead and click those 9 dots. When you do, a panel will pop up showing a bunch of Google apps like Drive, Docs, and of course Sheets. You'll want to find Google Sheets and give it a click to open it up. If you don't see it right away, scroll down. Sometimes it likes to hide lower in the list. Once you open Google Sheets, you can either jump into an existing spreadsheet or start a brand new one, totally up to you. Next, it's time to decide what image you want to add to your sheet. This could be a product photo, a company logo, an inspirational quote, anything you found online that you need in your Google Sheet. Open a new browser tab and search for your image. When you find just the right one, right-click on it. Now here, where it's important to be precise, select Copy Image Address from the menu, not Copy Image and not Save Image, as those options won't work here. You want the actual address or URL of the image so that Google Sheets knows where to go get it from the internet. Just a heads up, this might be listed as copy image link on some browsers. That's normal. Jump back over to your Google Sheet. Click into the cell where you want your image to appear. Here, where the magic happens, you're going to use the image formula. Type in equals image, and then paste the image address you just copied, then close it off with another. So it should look something like this, equals image, https://example.com/yourimage.png. Don't worry if the link looks a little long or weird, that's normal. Just make sure it's all inside the quotation marks. Then hit enter, and in just a second or two, you'll see your image pop right into the cell you selected. If you get an error, double check that your image address actually ends in a common image extension like JPG or PNG and that there are no extra spaces. Some websites block image embedding, but most public images should work just fine. And if your image looks squished or stretched, remember you can adjust the size of your cell to fit the image better. Just drag the edges of your row or column. And that's it. You've just learned how to insert an image straight from the web into Google Sheets without downloading or uploading anything. Just a few seconds and a super simple formula. Super handy for presentations, project trackers, or any kind of data where you want visuals alongside your text. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and practical Google tricks just like this one. Until next time, keep creating and stay organized.